What is going on, everybody? I could regale you with minutes upon minutes upon minutes of where Bitcoin's going, but I'm going to show you as quickly as possible so that you can get on with your day. We can figure out what is going on with this mess. First, if you would, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, bell to be notified of future content. Make sure you leave a comment on this. If you agree with me, good. If you don't agree with me, that's okay too. But here we are right now. So I do think, for those of you know me, you know that I'm very bullish, and I think we're headed to 32,000. But I also have to point out that after this collapse, after this crash that took us down here to this 24,000 level here, 733, and this is MEXC futures, by the way, where I do trade, and links in the description below. But we came down here, but we did not break into a real big liquidity pool, which is located right where I've got it circled right now. And there's another liquidity pool, by the way, that's right up here. And if we can just operate under the assumption for just a moment that Bitcoin operates just like the rest of cryptocurrency and is attracted by liquidity, and that's where the quote unquote money is, then let's go over a couple of things very, very quickly. And hopefully by the end of this, you'll be like, you know what? I got you, man. So right here is where the money is. I'm thinking that this is going to be a small relief rally up here to 27.3, and then we're going to come into this area. We're going to grab this, and then we're going to be off to the races up to this liquidity pool right here. Now, I've also got this backing me up down here. This is the RSI. This RSI is so far down that every time, if I were to zoom out and I were to show you, every time we get into this low of a level, and every time we get into this sort of area here, then look at the spike that we have here from 17,000 at this low level, from 17,000 up to 25. Consider over here, we went from 26,000 all the way up to 32,000. This is where we get big runs. Now, do they sustain themselves? They don't always sustain themselves, but they are still big moves. Now, taking this into account, let me zoom out here just a little bit so you can get kind of an idea of what I'm talking about here. We are still in a macro level in a bullish trend. Now, you make an argument that we've come back down here and we've retested this level one more time, and that's fair enough. But overall, until we break way down here, then we're still, until we get to about 20,000, we are still in a bull trend. So I think that we probably got to move to 24,000, then a big move to 32,000. Along the way. Those are the two big liquidity pools, and this RSI right here is showing me that we are ready for what could be an epic pump. Now, the time of filming this is 5:46 p.m. Central Standard Time in Chicago. The market is up $5.6 billion on the day. I don't know how the Asian markets are going to react. U.S. market's been kind of wonky today. Not entirely sure what sort of real move we're going to see from the Asian markets, but I do think that the U.S. markets are probably going to pick up a lot of steam over the next couple of days. This is easy money taking us down into this area. This is probably going to be, I would say right now, be a great opportunity for a short position because this liquidity pool, like a magnet, will probably attract it. Now, I would certainly be careful and use low leverage at this point until you see get a real confirmation of a move. I would not do anything too drastic, but if you do, I'd be picking this area right here, and then I'd be taking a long and going the distance up here to around 32,000. A lot of people are saying that the liquidity doesn't exist in the market to make that move to 32,000, but those people, guys, we've been there before. We were just there. So we're going back there again, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like, subscribe, bell to be notified, leave a comment, and I appreciate you. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you again very soon.